Welcome to the J.O.A.T.M.O.O podcast. It's your humble host, Jupe. Can I get a round of applause, please? All right, that's enough. I know it's corny, but I like to use it, so whatever. If this is your first time here, thank you for hitting the thumbnail. And if this is your second time here, or your third time here, or you've been here before, and you probably like the work that I'm putting out, thank you as well. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the like button as well, and share it with your friends and family, and it's greatly appreciated. Thank you in advance. Now, today is going to be a separate tone for what we're going to do today and what I'm going to tackle. This show is about purpose that came from pain and betrayal. It's about the Hugh Hefner story and how one of the main reasons, I should say, that he started Playboy. So I'm going to do a reaction to this video, and we're going to take a look at this video, and you guys let me know what you think, okay? So let's get started.
Marriage, virgin, in the sense that I had slept with only one person before in my life, the woman that I then married. Right after I was engaged, my wife-to-be had an affair and told me about it just a short time before the wedding. That, in combination with the Puritan background, had a dramatic impact on me. And I am absolutely certain that a part of what lay behind the establishment of Playboy was a throwing off the chains of personal hurt and indignity, and simultaneous with that, a quest for some better way.
When I heard about the Hugh Hefner story, how before marriage, he only been with one woman, and how before the wedding, she confessed her unfaithfulness to him, her infidelity to him, it hit me different because I felt the same pain. I know a lot of men that are watching this video have felt the same pain too. This is not about blaming women. It's about understanding what betrayal does to a man and how that moment can either destroy him or awaken him. Some of the hardest lessons I've learned didn't come from a stranger or enemy. It came from people I trusted. It came from people I loved. That's what makes it hurt so deep. Because when a stranger does you wrong, it's just life. But when it's someone close, it feels personal. And that's where so many men are today. They're trying to make sense of that kind of pain. Divorce, when you lose your kids, being betrayed by the people that they'll do anything for, that kind of pain doesn't just break your heart. It tests your soul. But the thing is, pain doesn't have to be the end of your story. It can be the beginning of your awakening. That moment that Hugh Hefner broke down, that was the moment he started to rebuild himself. He said, I'm not living by anyone else's rules anymore. And that right there, that was the shift. Men today, we have to make that same decision, not out of anger, not out of bitterness, but out of awareness. It's about saying, I'm done with losing myself, trying to please everyone else. We live in a world that tells men to man up, but never show them how to heal. So we carry that pain quietly. We keep showing up even though our spirit is running on empty. I started this channel because every time I grew as a man, it came after heartbreak, the betrayal, or a loss. I want other men to know that that doesn't make you weak. It means that you're involved. It means that you care. Let me be clear. This is not about women. There are good women out there that are also growing, healing, and learning. But as men, we spend so long trying to fix everything and everyone else that we forgot to fix ourselves. This isn't about division. It's about direction. When men become centered, when men become grounded and disciplined, relationships, communities, and families all get stronger. In closing, I'll say this. Hefner's heartbreak wasn't the end of him. It was the awakening that redefined who he was. And that is what I want every man watching this video. Let your pain teach you, not trap you. Focus on your growth. Focus on your purpose. Focus on your peace. And that's what J.O.A.T.M.O.O is about. Jack of all trades, master of one. Mastery of your life You can know many things, but the one thing you must master is your life. So once again, you guys, I thank you for clicking on the channel. I thank you for giving me the views. I thank you for your support. This is not about bashing women. This is not about splitting the relationships. This is about focus, purpose, and peace, and bettering oneself, right? Click in the description below. I appreciate the support, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.